Today we're having reduced fat mozzarella cheese sticks. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is the back, and it's got pasteurized milk, cheese, kernels, salt, enzymes, and vitamin A, and if you're allergic to milk, you can't have this. The salt content is 180 if you have a salt problem. Alright, let's take a look at this. They come in packs like this, and you're just gonna separate them off the pack. So the individual ones look like this. It is a pull tab, so you're just gonna pull that open. This is what the cheese looks like. It's kind of spongy. Alright, let's take a smell. Yes, it does smell like mozzarella. Okay, let's taste it. It's got the taste of mozzarella. It's not as creamy as the mozzarella balls. And it tastes good. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you join me next week. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.